In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clickup mind map feature effectively. Mind maps are an incredible tool for visually organizing and managing your thoughts, projects, or tasks. They help you brainstorm ideas more effectively, plan your projects better, and increase your overall productivity. Let's start by navigating to the Clickup website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a home page that serves as the gateway to all the productivity tools Clickup has to offer. To begin, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the login button and enter your email address and then your password to proceed. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be able to click the login button to access your ClickUp dashboard. Once you're logged in, find your way to the Home section of your workspace. This area serves as your command center, giving you a bird's eye view of your tasks, projects, and deadlines. ClickUp's interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring you spend less time searching for what you need and more time getting things done. Next, we will locate the View button. This option is your passport to ClickUp's versatile view modes, including list, board, box, and calendar views, among others. For today, our focus is on the Mind Map view. So go ahead and click on the Mind Map option to forge ahead. With the Mind Map view opened, you'll notice that you're prompted to choose a structure for your mind map. ClickUp offers various mind map structures to cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you prefer a more hierarchical structure or a free-form layout, take a moment to select the one that resonates most with your project's needs. After selecting your preferred structure, it's time to populate your mind map with tasks. This is where ClickUp's robust task management capabilities shine. By clicking on Tasks, you can start adding your existing tasks to the mind map. You can also create new tasks directly within the mind map view. This seamless integration ensures that your mind map remains a dynamic and up-to-date reflection of your project. Once your tasks are in place, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, customizing your mind map. ClickUp mind maps are highly customizable, allowing you to adjust colors, branch styles, and formats. This customization capability means you can tailor your mind map to reflect your style or the theme of your project. Click around to experiment with different settings and find the combination that suits you best. But customization isn't just about aesthetics, it also serves a practical purpose. By using different colors and styles, you can prioritize tasks, categorize them, or indicate stages of completion at a glance. This visual differentiation can be incredibly helpful during project reviews or team meetings where you need to quickly convey complex information. Now that you have your mind map set up and customized, it's time to put it to good use. A well-organized mind map can serve as a roadmap for your project, guiding you from conception to completion. Review your mind map regularly to ensure that it remains aligned with your project goals. And as your project evolves, don't hesitate to make adjustments. The flexibility of ClickUp's mind maps means you can easily add, remove, or rearrange tasks as needed. Remember, the more you use ClickUp mind maps, the more naturally they will integrate into your project management routine. Experiment with different structures and customization options to discover what works best for you and your team. Mind maps are not just a tool for organization, they're a manifestation of your creative and strategic thinking. So let your mind maps reflect the creativity and dynamism of your projects. Thank you for joining me in learning how to use ClickUp's mind map feature. Whether you're managing a complex project, organizing your thoughts, or planning your next big idea, mind maps in ClickUp are a versatile tool designed to boost your productivity and bring clarity to your work. Now go ahead and give it a try.